Hey, Chihuahua! Are you taking it? Bludgeon me instead! Pointy nightmares! Enough! No! No! Do you know how to apply a tourniquet? This is not what I meant by being cut. No! Sharp! Choppity, chop, chop! Prick me, do I not bleed? Oh! Time out! Ooh. Starfish multiply when cut. Oh, God! You're quite the gay blade, aren't you? Oh, God! Looks good! Hey, don't get cut! Just a little off the top, please. Let me out of here. Ow! I don't need pruning. I feel nothing. You're too stabby. That's exotic. I don't get it. No, please, God, no, please. That's not right. There's nothing sacred. Nothing is safe. Hey, don't get cut! Hey, Hannibal, let's watch cartoons instead. Doink! Hi, Chihuahua! Pointy nightmares. Oh! I don't get it! Stop! That's exotic! Bludgeon me instead! Uncle Skip's snake-bite venom! Oh! Read the directions! No! Don't pop out my stuffing! Oh, the pain! That's not right. Oh, that's unusual. There's nothing sacred. Whoa! Nothing is safe. Read the directions. That's not right. Ow! Where on earth did you dig that up? Be careful! Ouch! Go back to the Bates Motel. Oh! Prick me, do I not bleed? Whoa, yeah! Ow! The pain! That's not good. Fetch me some coffee, please. Make it stop! No. yeah, that'll work. Mama! Oh, God! My God, why? Ooh! Enough! Guys? I'm dying! Ah! Open a window! No, not that. Yeah, that'll work. Put it back. Yeah, just put it back. Truce! I know a psychologist. Go! I know match for you. Oh my God! What's going on?